Hello friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss a interesting series integration problems. So friends, let's start to solve this problem. Given problem, limit n tends to infinity Sn equals to omega. Find the root of the equation x square minus omega x plus 5 equals to 0. So friends, whatever I have to find out, the root of the equations. The root of the equation. This is I have to find out. So friends, let's start. So you see that Sn is equal to 3 divided by 1 square plus 5 divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 7 divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and plus up to Tn. So friend, Tn means term. Nth term. Let's start to solve this problem. So friends, whatever you see, 3 is equal to 3 can be written 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. I hope it is clear for everyone. And 5 is equal to, this is the t1 case, and 3 divided by 1 square divided by 1 square, 5 divided by 1 square plus 2 square is equal to t2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 1 square plus 2 square. Similarly, t3, you see 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So friends, whatever we see tr. So whatever we get tr. Tr is equal to 2 into r plus 1 divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 0 plus r square. So friends, Sn is equal to summation r is equal to 1 to n 2 into r plus 1 divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus r square plus r square. So friends, whatever equals to 1 to n 2 into r divided by r by 6 r by 6 r plus 1 into 2r plus 1. Let's discuss formula. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square is equal to n by 6 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. I apply this formula. So friends, this equation will become r plus 1, r equals to 1 to n, 6 divided by 2r plus 1 divided by r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1. I cut these two positions. So friends, we see this way, summation r equals to 1 to n, 6 divided by r into r plus 1. Summation 6 divided by r into r plus 1, r equals to 1 to n, one by r minus 1 by r plus 1. It can be written this way. So friends, limit n tends to Sn equals to limit n tends to infinity. We can write this way: 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, the order up to plus 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. And this is cut, this position, this position. So friends, whatever I get limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 equals to, you can get friends in here, multiply also 6. 6 is also multiplied. So 6 into 6 into limit n divided by n plus 1. It can be written 6 divided by 6 into limit 1 by 1 plus 0. This value is 6. So friends, and this value is equals to omega. Omega is my value. Now these questions ask that this is the omega, this omega is equal to 6. Now they ask the find the equation x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. So we get x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equals to 0. So x minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 equals to 0. So that implies x minus 5 equals to 0. So roots of one. So friends, let's start to solve another problem. This problem is the also series. Also it is, this level is 11-12 level, 11-12 problem, that find the sum of n terms of the series. So friends, whatever we see, this is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, this is 3 by 4, this is 7 by 8, and this is 15 by 16 up to So friends, it can be written 1 minus, take this series is as s, so I write s is equal to 1 minus half plus 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 minus 1 by 16. So friends, this way it will it will be going. So friends, Tn term should be Tn term should be 1 minus 2 to the power n. So this is the Sn. I have to find out Sn series. So friends, before my discussions I do not say, this series is called telescope. This is called telescopy. This is called telescopy series. So friends, this is the it can be written 1 n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 to the power n. It can be written this way, n minus, this is the GP series friends, and GP formula is, note down this GP formula, a plus AR plus up to AR whole to the power n minus 1 is equal to A 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R, and where R is equal to if R is R less than 1, and A plus R to the power n minus 1 minus R, where R greater than 1. So we get this way, half into 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n 1 minus 1 by 2, so n minus half into 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power can be written by 2. This 2 and this 2 will cut. So Sn is equal to sum of the nth term is n minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus n. This is the formula. I hope you can understand friends this problem, these double integrations. This integration is very interesting friends. So start to solve. Solution. So friends, before this problem you have to know one result. You have to know one result. I use this result. 1 by root over a is equal to 2 by root pi divided by 0 to infinity e to the power minus a t square dt, where a greater than 0. So friends, this is the problem. I hope that this result I use, and I hope then a lot of students or my friends, they know these results. So also there are also the derivatives. I will discuss the error FC problem. Then I will discuss one of the class is my error FC class I will take. So friends, let's start. Assumes assumes okay, no problem. The problem is double integral 0 to 1 0 to 1 xy whole to the power s divided by root over minus log xy dx into dy. So friends, it can be written this way that 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 I use these result friends. You can see I can use I shall use this result. So x to the power x into y to the power s in here, and this can be written 2 divided by root pi 0 to infinity, it can be written, and e to the power a t square, a is in here, a is in here, a is equal to root over minus log xy friends. This is a is equal to root over log xy. So it can be written this way: e to the power minus and a square friends. It is the root over a square. This is the root a. This is called root a. So log xy. So I write in here log xy e to the power log xy t square into t square e to the power minus log xy into e to the t square into dt. This way it can be written, and dx, I hope that it is clear for everyone that why log x is considered as e. I hope that it is clear for everyone. So now start my next step: 0 to 1 0 to 1 x to the power s y to the power s and log e to the power log xy into t square. It can be written e to the power log xy x to the power minus t square. That I write that it should be e to the power log x to the power t square and y to the power t square minus and dt into dx into dy. So friends, I can write this way, and 0 to infinity also I have to write, and 2 by root pi I will write in here. So I write this way: 2 divided by root over pi 0 to 1 and 0 to 1, 0 to infinity, x to the power s, x to the power minus t square, and y to the power minus t square dt into dx into dy. I hope this step you can understand this step. Next step I shall go 2 by root over pi, it can be written as this way: 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to infinity, x to the power s plus s minus t square, oh sorry, this value should be another value, minus a square, a is equal to in here minus log x, so minus will be there are no minus, there is no minus, and y to the power s plus t square, and this is the log value sense, this value is log value, and it is dt into dx into dy, it can be written this way. So now whatever I want to do this way, that 0 to 1, 0 to infinity, and now I write 0 to 1 x to the power s plus t square into dt into 0 to 1 y to the power s plus t square into, sorry, it is dx into dy, and after that I write in here dt. Very easy, very simple form, friends. Now I write this way: 2 divided by root over pi and 0 to infinity, and this portion is very simple. A to the power formula is x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it can be written 1 by s plus t square in 1 by s plus t square plus 1 into dt. So it can be written 2 divided by root over pi, 0 to infinity, this problem is convenient. Let it can be written this way: why I take this, I change, I write want to take this way, that it is problem is x to the power s and y to the power sigma. So it should be y to the power sigma, and this value is y to the power sigma. This is the y to the power sigma, y to the power sigma, and y to the power sigma plus t square. So it is sigma plus t square. Take I this, because otherwise it's take another whole square problem. It is the another way, but it may be complex. So I try to solve it easy way. So friends, it can be written this way: 1 by 1 minus sigma minus s divided by 1 plus s minus 1 by sigma plus t square plus 1. So it can be written this way: 2 divided by root over pi 0 to infinity. I write in here sigma minus s, and 0 to infinity it is dt. So dt s plus t square plus 1, and there is a bracket, minus 0 to infinity dt divided by sigma plus t square plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by, it is root pi also. So 2 divided by root over pi and and 1 by root over s plus 1 tan inverse and it is the sigma minus s I can write, and there is a bracket, tan inverse t divided by root over s plus 1 minus 1 by root over s sigma plus 1 tan inverse t divided by root over sigma plus 1 2 divided by root over pi sigma minus s root pi, this is mean root pi divided by, not root pi, this value is pi, this value is pi by 2 root over s plus 1 minus pi by root over sigma plus 1. So friends, whatever I get, this is the calculative problem. I get 2 and 2, this here also 2, 2 and 2 will cut. Two and two will cut, so I get pi divide by root over sigma minus s into divide by root over s plus 1 into root over sigma plus 1 into root sigma plus 1 minus root s plus 1. Now I multiply both sides, root sigma plus 1 plus root s plus 1 into root sigma plus 1 plus root s plus 1, and this value is root pi divided by sigma minus s, and I get also sigma minus s root over s plus 1 sigma plus 1, and it will become root sigma plus 1 plus root s plus 1. And now you will see that this is cut, because friends, when this is the whole square, then it is, I think that this process I can also solve this way, but it takes some time technique. So this technique, I think, very nice technique. So s plus 1 to whatever you get, I get sigma plus 1 and root sigma plus 1 into s plus 1. Here sigma is equal to s. So friends, whatever we see this value will become root pi into root over s plus 1 into s plus 1, and yet my answer is root pi divided by 2 into s plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2. Thanks for watching.